Времени очень мало. Спасибо большое, Екатерина. И следующий спикер, давайте я представлю. Акбаликова Амина из школы Агубек International School. Это школа в городе Ахтубе. То есть это с запада, с моего родного города. Поэтому для меня эта школа очень близка к сердцу. Я там часто бываю. Очень такая приятная школа. Именно сингапурская методика в этой школе очень тоже сильно зародилась. Это одни из первых школ. Вот уже второй год они интенсивно внедряют сингапурскую программу. Они внедряют полный комплекс, фоника, английский язык, математика и сайенс. И у них очень хорошие результаты с первого класса. Дети бегло читают, решают задания по математике, бегло читают на английском. Довольно большой словарный запас у них. Амина присоединилась в школу буквально недавно, вот в первой четверти, буквально полгода, как присоединилась к школе. И в целом Амина выпускница, она только-только вот с педагогического, с университета. И у нее первый опыт получился полностью сингапурская программа. Вот. Амина, вы подключены, да, уже к компьютеру? Так.
Hello.
Hi, Amina. Thank you for joining us today. Спасибо. У вас камера есть?
Так, сейчас, секунду. У меня тут просто пишет, убедитесь, что ваша камера включена и подключена к компьютеру. Zoom не обнаруживает камеру.
Да, постарайтесь, пожалуйста, а то, да, было бы приятно видеть вас во время презентации. Ага.
Секунду.
Так. Хорошо. Нина, вы преподаете не только математику, да, если не ошибаюсь?
Да, я преподаю и английский, и естествознание, и математику.
Первых-вторых классов?
Первых-вторых классов, да.
Замечательно, спасибо. Угу. Так, ждем тогда. Попробуйте подключить камеру. Если нет, то тогда давайте приступим.
Секунду. Я думала, она у меня подключается.
Никара, здравствуйте. У вас 5 часов. А вы с какой школы? Ага, квантум, да, квантум. Квантум, у них, да, у них очень большой упор на математику.
Не получается, к сожалению.
Хорошо, Амина, вы пока заширите экран свой, давайте пока приступим.
Так, все, я могу, да?
Да. Заширьте весь экран, чтобы, когда вы будете потом видео показывать, чтобы оно тоже показывалось. То есть заширьте не только презентацию, а вообще весь экран свой.
А как это сделать? У меня тут только вот показывает Microsoft. Подождите, может экран?
По-моему, первое должно быть. Все, отлично. Мы вас видим. Теперь вам нужно открыть презентацию. И давайте начнем. Угу. На весь экран. Да. Спасибо. Все. Отлично.
Hello again. My name is Amina Akbalikova, and I would like to say thank you for all of your presentations. It was really useful for me as a new teacher because this is my first teaching experience at school. And to be honest, I was a little shocked that I will teach math and science also, because these are not my specialties, but still I have something to share with you. So, and I am teaching math, science, and phonics at school, and other teachers are also teach 3 subjects. So we teach math 3 times a week, science 2 times a week, and phonics 4 times a week. So what I would like to tell you about Singapore methodology, and I think that this methodology has done all the work for you, and here every detail sorted out. You just should invest your soul and work from heart. So And by the way, I work at Akbuget International School, as Sanjar said, in Aqtoube. So today's topic is using interactive activities in Singapore Maths. And I would like to tell you about fly SWOT game, which I used to units 3 and 4 for first grades, addition and subtraction within 10. Here you can see the lesson objectives. So they have to add and subtract with number bones. They have to use strategies such as taking away, using number bones, counting on and counting back. And of course, they have to tell addition and subtraction stories about pictures. So tell me, please, if anybody knows about Fly SWOT game? If you know, just let me know. I think that you have heard of this game, Fly SWOT game. So, I don't see answers here. Okay, so Fly SWOT, we know, yes, it's a device for killing insects, but we use it another way for teaching, yes. So it's a kind of activity that students do in the classroom by using a Fly SWOT that students use to hit the word in the blackboard that the teacher says before. But I have changed this game and adapted to math. So as you can see here in the pictures, these are my students, first grade students. And, So it helps them learn and acquire new words easily. It involves friendly competition and keeps students' interest, and also it is fun for students. As you can see here, I printed the numbers. Of course, you have to be prepared for this lesson, and you have to print numbers, as you can see here. Also, you have to bring Fly SWOTers, and the students have to know addition and subtraction and things like 2 plus 2 equals 4, yeah? So I have the video for you. But I'm so sorry in advance. I couldn't insert the video into my presentation. So please.
Okay. 4 plus 4.
Oh, what's wrong with the video? Something. Wait a minute.
4. 2 plus 3. What number is this? 5. Okay, equals 5. 7 plus 3.
Немножко зависает.
Yes. What number is this?
Все нормально, мы видим, все хорошо.
А вы нормально видите? Мне просто...
10 minus 5. 2 plus 2 equals 4. Okay, 5, 2. Yeah, good job. So 6 plus 1. What number is this?
Амина, можете, пожалуйста, рассказать вкратце, то есть это какой четверти было и приблизительно, и в чем суть задания?
Так, это у нас было в первой четверти, когда мы, даже не в первой, я очень часто использую данную игру, это можно использовать из multiplication and division tasks, и так, это у нас первая четверть, когда мы проходили цифры, то есть вычитание, сложение, да, и вот данная игра мне очень помогла в том, чтобы дети запомнили, как сказать плюс, как сказать минус, как сказать равно. Вот.
Супер.
Да, но нужно именно быть готовым к тому, что пока, вот, например, данная группа, 2 мальчика, например, играют, а остальная группа не должна просто тоже так сидеть, то есть им нужно, you have to prepare extra tasks for them. So, but there is one disadvantage that the class really noisy, and so yeah, just prepare extra tasks. They have to be busy while two boys are playing, yeah, or students. So you just need, for this game, print out the numbers and stick them on the board. So let's go on. So here, shapes and patterns theme. So as you can see here, lesson objectives, it is identify, name, describe, and classify shapes, recognize, name, and describe the 4 basic shapes in real objects and pictures, and make and complete patterns with shape, size, shape, color, and orientation. So here I would like to show you some activities they have done. They were working with Play-Doh. And in my opinion, Play-Doh is always a good idea for the first grades. As you already know, it develops fine motor skills of the hands. And in these pictures, they are making shapes and name them. And I recommend you to do this task because due to Play-Doh and other activities, they name and recognize the shapes. But however, you have to get ready to clean the desks. And one more video. How are they making these shapes?
Circle. Triangle. Okay. Square. And this one is red. Red. Very good.
That's thank you.
Very good. Circle. Square.
Видео. У вас показывает кого-то зарисует, да, тоже?
Red. Thank you.
Пожалуйста, вам видно все видео, которые я показываю?
Да.
Они
Ничего страшного,
они
немножко зависает, но мы видим картинку и понимаем суть. Да, в принципе, нормально. Да, не переживайте.
Тексты. Okay, so next one. Oops. So this video or this picture shows you the game Guess the Shape. So you can do this activity when the students have confidence in shapes and when they can name them and they know that each shape has corners and sides. So as you can see in the picture, you should choose one student who will describe the shape and others will guess. And I have also the video. Wait a minute. Maybe I will try with this one. Ага, здесь вы можете наблюдать тоже сцену, где вот девочка подсматривает. Вот тоже немного моя ошибка, да? Надо убедиться, что все студенты, что все ученики сидят на месте, да, и не подсматривают. Вот. So, и вот так вот каждого ученика я вызывала к доске, чтобы тот описывал тот или иной предмет, да, форму. Так.
Замечательно.
And the next one, as Ekaterina told, I also use this game, grow by color, grow by size, by number of sides and corners, and the shape. For this activity, you have to prepare, of course, shapes with different sides, with different corners, and different size also, and shapes, yeah, and color. I have one more video, so many videos. Wait a minute.
What does it mean? Big shape. Yes. It's an
So you can see the students are involved in this lesson and they really like this activity. And for instance, my students, they love competitions.
We have a question asking, how many students do you have in your class?
So I have 3 classes, and in 1A, for instance, I have 22 students. In 1A, I have 8 students. So, and in the second BE, I have 21 students.
So with this this activity work with a bigger classroom of 22 students? Have you tried?
Yes, why not?
Okay.
Why not? You can just divide them into 4 groups, maybe. Yeah, and you can do.
Okay, thank you.
So go on. And here, grade 2 multiplication and division task. So here you can see multiplications, objectives, and division objectives. Yeah. Firstly, I would like at this part, I want to share with you one of the useful sites, which calls mathseasily.com. And here you can find so many printable math games in PDF. Yeah, and they are free, just free resources you can find here. And now, please look at my favorite one, game, multiplication puzzle task. Here they have to do multiplication task here and find the answer. Find the answer and stick here. It means like collect, they have to collect puzzle, yeah? Of course, you have to prepare scissors, glue, and these printable tasks. So one more video for you. Wait a minute. Wait. So, and as a result, Here you can see the happy learners here. And I think that your students will like this task. And you can print or you can stick the picture, puzzle picture on their copybooks. So I have some tips here that I want to share with you. Of course, in math, you have to give clear instructions. For instance, after you have explained a method, do one example yourself and pause to let everyone else observe it. And then after that, you can swap the roles and ask the children what do they have to do. And after this, they get used, and next time they will listen to the teacher carefully, because they will know that the teacher will ask them about it. If you will do it every day, they will get used. So prepare materials. Of course, we know about it, but in math or in other subjects, you have to be so flexible. Yeah, you have to have everything at home, such as like a flies waters. You have to bring everything, and so as you saw in my presentation, I have prepared all the things by myself. Yeah, do not rely on your students. They can forget to bring something, so I just bring it by myself. And prepare extra tasks for fast children. All of us know that students cannot be at the same level, yes? And someone's better at catching information, and someone take a long time in order to avoid the situations when students have to wait someone, prepare extra task. Or you can prepare a more difficult task for advanced learners, and it calls differentiation. So I think that this is the end. So your result, your happy learners, as you can see in the picture.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much. It's
yeah, really short information. Sorry.
This was a wonderful presentation. Не переживайте насчет технической части, Амина. Don't worry about it, it's fine. Главное, мы поняли суть, мы увидели примеры. Главное, какие-то идеи мы получили все. Вот. Поэтому не переживайте насчет технической части. Отлично. И вопросы. Если можно, в принципе, у нас есть пара минут.
Да, давайте вопросы.
Задать пару вопросов. Any questions?
Amina. Yes, Yulia from Zaman. Amina, how many students are there in one group?
In one group, as I said, in one class I have, for instance, 22. In one group I have 8 students, and in one group I have 21 in the second grade.
So during your math classes, you are not divided them into groups?
Why? I divide them, of course. If it is, if there are many students, I can divide them into 4 groups or 3. If they are like small groups, I just divide them into 2 groups, and that's enough.
Yeah, I understand. I mean, just all the students in one group, not separated.